You've probably asked ChatGPT for help only to get back something. Meh. You know there's more potential, but how do you unlock it? I'm about to show you the secret weapon that transforms your AI interactions from okay to OMG, that's brilliant. Now let's dive into the ChatGPT secret. Quick RCTFC refresher. Alright, fellow digital adventurers. Let's dive headfirst into the ChatGPT secret that's been hiding in plain sight. RCTFC. It sounds like a secret agent code. And in a way, it is. This isn't just a fancy acronym. It's your blueprint for crafting prompts that make ChatGPT actually think and deliver results that feel like magic. Most people just type a question and hope for the best, like tossing a message in a bottle. But with RCTFC, you're sending a highly detailed, personalized telegram that gets exactly what you need. We're talking about transforming your generic AI interactions into incredibly precise, mind-reading masterpieces. Get ready to elevate your prompting game from, okay, to, holy cow, how did it know that? This is where we cement our understanding of RCTFC, ensuring every prompt you create from now on is a masterclass in clarity. First, role is about giving ChatGPT a persona, making it think like an expert in a specific field. Think of it as putting a tiny digital hat on your AI. Second, context provides the backdrop. It's the who, what, when, where, and why that gives your AI the full picture, preventing those frustratingly generic responses. Third, task defines the mission. It's the specific action you want the AI to perform. Be as clear as possible. No room for ambiguity here. These three elements are the bedrock for prompts that truly perform. Now let's dive into Lab 1. Crafting clear roles for expert-level output. Okay, let's kick off our first lab by getting cozy with the R in RCTFC, role. Think of role as dressing up ChatGPT in a tiny digital costume. Instead of just asking, write an email, you're saying, hey ChatGPT, today you're a professional marketing manager, now write that email. This little trick changes everything because it tells the AI how to approach the task, what kind of language to use, and whose perspective to adopt. It's the difference between a generic reply and one that sounds like it came from a seasoned pro. You're not just getting information. You're getting information filtered through an expert lens. Let's see it in action. Alright, promptsmiths. For our first lab, we're putting the R in role to work. Our goal here is to get an email that doesn't just inform, but persuades, sounding like it came from a savvy marketing pro. Notice how we've explicitly told ChatGPT to act as a professional marketing manager for a B2B SaaS company. This isn't just fluff. It's a direct instruction for tone, vocabulary, and approach. Then we layer in the context. Who, what, and why. The task is clear, and the format and constraints keep things tight and on point. By defining that role up front, we're giving ChatGPT a much clearer target for its writing style and content. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. The magic here is all thanks to the role we assigned. When you tell ChatGPT to be a professional marketing manager for a B2B SaaS company, it doesn't just draft an email. It drafts an email with marketing savvy. You'll notice the language isn't overly casual or overly academic. It hits that sweet spot of professional engagement. The output will likely focus on benefits like efficiency and insights rather than just listing features, reflecting a marketer's mindset. The call to action for a demo? Perfectly aligned with what a marketing manager would do. This isn't just about getting an email. It's about getting an email that feels like a human expert crafted it. Because we taught the AI to embody that expert. By assigning a clear role, you direct the AI to adopt a specific professional voice, ensuring its output aligns with that perspective, not a generic one. Adding context provides the necessary background, giving the AI a complete picture so its response is relevant and well-informed. Finally, stating the task precisely guides the AI towards the exact deliverable you need, preventing off-topic or incomplete results. These three elements are the cornerstone of effective prompting. Now let's dive into Lab 2, adding depth with context task. Fantastic work on Lab 1. Now that we've mastered giving our AI a snazzy new persona, let's deepen the conversation by focusing on context and task. Think of context as giving ChatGPT the full backstory, all the juicy details that make its job easier and its output infinitely more relevant. It's like handing your assistant a detailed brief instead of just saying, do something. And task? That's your crystal clear marching order. No vague requests, just a precise description of what you need done. Together, these two elements transform a basic request into a mission-critical operation, ensuring the AI focuses its brilliant mind exactly where you need it. Alright, for Lab 2, we're leveling up our prompting power by honing in on context and task. We've kept our role live, our AI is still acting as a diligent executive assistant. But look at the context we're providing. Specific names, companies, project details, and even the CEO's personal notes. This isn't just background noise. It's the rich tapestry that allows the AI to craft truly relevant outputs. Then, our task is incredibly specific. Prepare a concise meeting agenda and 3 to 5 critical questions. No ambiguity here. We've told it exactly what to create. This level of detail empowers the AI to deliver tailored, high-quality results. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. The brilliance you'll see from this prompt stems directly from the detailed, context, and pinpointed task. By feeding ChatGPT all those nuggets about the meeting, the project, and Alex's notes, we've given it the brainpower to anticipate needs. It won't just create a generic agenda, it'll craft one that touches on synergy, budget, timeline, and even generate intelligent questions related to scalability and market fit, things a human executive assistant would infer. The specific task of creating both an agenda and questions ensures a comprehensive output. It's like giving the AI a mental framework, and it fills in the blanks with surprising insight, all because we gave it the right fuel. By providing specific context, you enable the AI to grasp the nuances of your request, leading to outputs that are perfectly relevant and avoid generic responses. A well-defined task ensures the AI performs the exact action you need, preventing unnecessary or off-target information. The format instruction is critical for structuring the output precisely, making it immediately usable without extra editing. These 3 elements are your secret weapons for precision. Now let's dive into Lab 3, refining output with format constraints. You're doing brilliantly. We've given our AI a role, set the scene with context, and given it a clear mission. Now for the final 2, but equally powerful, letters in our RCTFC arsenal: format and constraints. Format is all about how you want the AI to present its masterpiece. Do you need a bulleted list? A narrative paragraph? A table? This tells the AI how to package its brilliant ideas. And constraints? These are your guardrails, your non-negotiables. They tell the AI what not to do, what limits to respect, or what criteria to absolutely hit. Together, format and constraints are your quality control team, ensuring the output is not just smart, but perfectly tailored and ready to use. Alright, for our final lab, we're bringing it all home with format and constraints. Our AI is now a social media content strategist. Quite the glow up. The context gives it all the juicy details about the blog post and audience. Our task is clear. Repurpose that content. But where the magic really happens is in the format and constraints. We're telling it exactly what each post should look like. Hook, takeaways, emojis, CTA. And those constraints? They're the real game changers. Under 220 characters and specific hashtags. This ensures the output is not just creative, but perfectly ready for Instagram without needing heavy edits. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. The output from this prompt is a testament to the power of format and constraints. By explicitly stating, each post includes a catchy hook, 1 to 2 key takeaways, relevant emojis, and a call to action, we practically gave the AI a template to follow. It's like giving a chef a recipe. They know exactly what ingredients to use and in what order. The character limit constraint is a clever touch, forcing the AI to be concise and impactful, just like real social media content needs to be.
And the specific hashtags?
Chef's kiss.
This level of precision means you're not just getting content, you're getting perfectly packaged, ready-to-publish content that respects platform limitations. That's efficiency, folks.
Using format ensures the AI delivers information in the exact structure you need, making it instantly applicable and saving you editing time. Applying constraints acts as your quality control, guiding the AI to adhere to specific rules like length, tone, or inclusion of certain elements, resulting in a perfectly polished output. Remembering the full RCTFC framework, role, context, task, format, and constraints, transforms generic prompts into powerful tools for precise and intelligent AI collaboration, making your AI assistant truly shine. You've just unlocked the ChatGPT secret most people never use. The power of RCTFC. This isn't just about getting an answer. It's about getting the right answer, in the right way, for the right purpose. Wow, you did it! We've journeyed through the mystical lands of RCTFC, and you're no longer just talking to ChatGPT, you're conducting a symphony with it. Remember, this isn't just about better prompts, it's about better results, faster work, and feeling like an absolute genius when your AI delivers exactly what you needed. You've learned that giving ChatGPT a role makes it an expert, providing context gives it wisdom, a clear task provides direction, format keeps things tidy, and constraints ensures perfection. No more vague requests and equally vague replies.
You're now equipped to wield AI with precision, wit, and undeniable power. Go forth, prompt with confidence, and make those algorithms sing.
You now hold the keys to truly intelligent AI collaboration. Go forth and prompt with power. Share this RCTFC magic with a friend who's still wrestling with generic AI outputs. Or drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first complex task you're going to conquer with RCTFC?